Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05, and today I'm going to show you how to enter download mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, what you will have to do is to connect USB cable to your device while you hold down both volume keys. So you hold them down, connect the cable, and this happens. So basically this is like a download mode, something like that. So you can volume up to continue, you can volume down to reset phone, you can side key to show barcode. So if you want to quit it, just volume down and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.